How to add voiceover on Facebook story. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just go ahead and open up Facebook. And once you do that, click to add story. Say for example, I'm going to choose a random video. Now once you are on this page right here, from the list on the top right, click on sound, and here you will have the option to add voiceover, so click on it, and as you can see it says tap or hold to record audio over the video. So let's go ahead and do that. So once you are done recording your voiceover, you can click on done at the top right corner, and then you can continue to edit your story just like you usually do. You can edit text, add stickers, filters, add music, or adjust the volume depending on what you need and what you like. And once you are all set, click on pause at the bottom right to share your story. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can add a voiceover on your Facebook story. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.